Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio AW90H. And if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, let's make sure we are in the time mode. You can press the mode button several times until it shows time without the letter TT on the lower left. So this one is the dual time. We don't use this one, so press again. This is the stopwatch, and then this one. This is the timekeeping mode. So hour, minute and second, and no TT letter on the lower left side of the display. Okay, now let's set the digital time first, and to do that, from this view for the digital display, you can press and hold the adjust button on the lower left. This one, so press and hold. Okay, and now the second is flashing or blinking. We can reset the second using the mode button on the top left. So if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute, but if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. Okay, now press the adjust button and we can set the hour now. You can use the top left button to change the number. So press and it will move forward, so 23, then 0 and so on. So let me set to 22. Okay, you can press and hold to speed up the process. And then press one by one if it's already near the number that you want, something like that. Okay, and then press the adjust button, and now we can set the minute. So let's say this is 22, and then the minute is 45. So press the mode button like this, one by one, or you can press and hold to speed up the process. Okay, and then press again the adjust button, and now we can set the time format. So you can choose using the mode button. This one is the 24-hour format, and this one is the 12-hour format. So for this one, let me set as 24, and then press again the adjust button, and done for the setting of the digital time. And now the next one to set is the analog hands. And to do that, you can use the top right button to move the analog hands. So this one, you can refer to the digital time that you have just set. So this one 22:46, and then you can use the top right button to move the analog hand. So wait a moment, this one, okay, like this. Okay, one press of the button is 1/3 of a minute or 20 seconds. So 46, you can press and hold to speed up, and then press one by one. So this one is 45, okay, and then 1, 2, 3, this one is 46, and it is now 47. So again 1, 2, 3, okay, something like that. So this one 22:47 for the digital time, and also 22:47 for the analog hands. Okay, and then next to set is the calendar, and to do that, from this view you can press the mode button on the top left, so we can get to this one, the calendar, and we can set the calendar by pressing this one, the adjust button, press and hold. Okay, so now this one is the month. You can change the month using the mode button. So if it is flashing or blinking like this, press the mode button and it will move up. And let me set to 6. Okay, and then press the adjust button, and now we can set the date. Also the same thing, use the top left button to move up. So let me set as 15. Okay, yes, and then press again the adjust button, and now we can set the day of the week. So this one is Monday, and then use the mode button to change Tuesday, Wednesday and so on. So let me set back to Monday. Okay, and then after that, press the adjust button, and done. You have set the calendar. And now, yes, you can go back to the time mode for the digital display, or you can use the calendar mode for the digital display, up to you. Just press the mode button to select which one that you want. So for me, I will use this one. And that's all for this tutorial. I will see you again for the more detailed one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.